So tell me, someone who is aspiring to become a best cadet and who wants to come for best cadet competition at RDC, what advice would you give to them?
Ma'am, first thing would be to be themselves, because there are many times that people fake their aim in life and try to be something which they're not in their interviews. And the first thing would be to be yourself, and then put in your best in each and every event and work on the events which you're weak at.